Hey guys, today I will be showing off the Microbit and all about how to set it up. So let's get right into it. So when you first open up the Microbit, you'll notice this guy right here, which is the Microbit itself. Yours will come in a plastic bag. I've already been messing around with mine a fair amount. Let's take that out, and you'll notice a couple things about this. First, you can notice the different ways to interface with the Microbit. We have a couple buttons which can be used as inputs, and then we have a screen of LEDs which we'll be using as our outputs. Down here we have, these are called pins. We'll be covering those in a future video. If we turn it around and look at the back, we can see all the circuitry involved, and for the most part we'll just leave it alone. But you can notice this button right here, that's the reset button. And we have a USB connection here and a power connection here if you want to connect just a battery, which is great because it comes with its own battery. If we pull back this, we can see all the stuff that comes with it. We have our USB connector, which we can plug in right over here later. And it comes with two AAA batteries and this battery holder. Okay, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how to put in the batteries properly. All you do is you look at the which end has the nub, and you want to make sure that the end with the nub is facing away from the springs. Okay, so on this end I have the nub here, so it goes like that. And then we slide this piece back on, like so. So when you actually plug in the Microbit, it's loaded with a first time run program. Okay. And for you guys, it'll start lighting up immediately. And it'll start pointing over here and saying A and stuff like that. I've already loaded up a program, so it's not going to show that for me. Let me show you how to connect it to your iPad really quickly. First, what you'll need to do is put your Microbit in pairing mode. We're going to need to know how to do this a fair amount because it is important later. So all you need to do is you press and hold on both the A and B button. And then on the back, we tap and release the reset button while holding onto the A and B button. So look at what I'm doing. Tap. And then you can see the LEDs starting to light up. And it will give you a unique identifier for this Microbit. Let's hop over to the iPad app and take a look at the next steps. Okay, so I've got the Microbit up here in pairing mode. And I'm going to launch the Microbit app over here and pull up this screen by clicking on choose Microbit, pair new Microbit. Great. Now it wants us to do the pairing mode like I showed you before. Mine's already in pairing mode, so I'm just going to hit next. And then we're going to copy this pattern over. Right, so I'm going to tap here, and then it looks like it's 2 here. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Great, ready to pair. Let's hit next again. And we can see it's currently searching. Great, pairing successful. Yours might ask you to allow it to pair. Just go ahead and hit yes. And now we are paired. Great. All right, so I've created my code and I'm ready to get it over to the Microbit. The first step before you flash your code over to the Microbit is you always want to make sure your Microbit is in pairing mode beforehand. And so remember, we just do that by pressing and holding the A and B button at the same time. And once you've done that, you'll see that your unique identifier has come back up. Now that we've done that, we can just hit download, And now you can see me. You can see that it's flashing the code to the microbit. And it's successful. And it will now display the string hello. Great.